If you want to see who viewed your TikTok story and don't know where to check, here's how you can do it. So first you have to open up your TikTok app and go to your profile. And from your profile, you have to tap on your story. Now at the bottom left corner, you will see the total number of views. So just tap there and you can see who viewed your story along with who replied or reacted. So now some people say that they don't see any views. If that happens, open your story, tap the three-dot menu and go to settings. So here you have to make sure your story is set to everyone, and if it's set to friends, only people who follow you and you follow back can see your story. And lastly, you have to remember TikTok stories are available for 24 hours and you can check your viewers during that time. So that's how you can check your TikTok story views. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.